Have you ever tried Chinese scallion pancakes before? Well, today I'm showing you a flaky version, the kind with lots of beautiful layers. This isn't a flat, chewy kind you might get at a restaurant. This one is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and full of thin, pull-apart layers. It looks fancy, but it's actually very simple once you know the technique. Let's get started. First, add flour to a bowl and a little salt. Pour in hot water while stirring. This helps soften the dough and makes the pancake more tender. Then add room temperature water and knead it until it becomes smooth. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. This makes rolling easier later. Next, roll the dough into a thin sheet. Sprinkle lots of chopped scallions on top and mix them in. Cut the dough into 4 equal pieces. Brush your pan with oil, place the dough pieces in, brush a little oil on top, cover, and let them rest for 40 minutes. Now, let's make the oil paste. This is a secret to creating layers. Flour, salt, 5 spice powder, and hot oil. Stir into a smooth paste. The dough is ready. Roll out one dough piece into a thin sheet again. Brush it generously with the oil paste. Fold it up and cut it into strips, but don't cut all the way through. Cutting the dough into strips is the key to creating those fine layers. Open it, stretch it long. The longer, the more layers. Then coil it like a snail. Tuck the end underneath. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Now we pan fry. Press it flat and roll it out, but not too thin. Cook on low to medium heat with a little oil. When the bottom turns golden, brush a bit of oil on top and flip. Cook until both sides are crispy and golden brown. And there it is. Look, beautiful flaky layers, simple ingredients, but amazing flavor. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.